and welcome to Time Travel Tuesday. I'm Lisa, I'm one of the interpreters here at Brattonsville, and today we are making coconut sweetheart cookies. So the first thing we need to do is get into our coconut. And I don't know how to do that, but my friend Jalen does, so she's gonna help me out. Come on in here, Jalen. And Jalen tells me the first thing we have to do is punch out these little bowling ball finger holes. So we have a hammer, we have a sharp object, and here we go. Okay, pour the milk or the coconut water. We're going to beat 4 eggs. The recipe calls for a quart of flour. A quart of flour is 1 3/4 pounds. This is 1 3/4 pounds. We're going to add our butter, which is under here. Maybe. Come on, butter. This will be another one of those occasions when I have to get in there with my hands. And our sugar, which is here. And a few drops of the essence of lemon. I have the essence of lemon. See if we can get a few drops. That looks like a few drops to me. And our 4 beaten eggs. And here, eggs. We've got this mostly mixed together. We're going to add the coconut, which is a lot of coconut. And we're going to add the coconut milk. Get that piece of coconut shell out of there. And now mix it until it is a thick dough. And roll it out about 1/2 inch thick. So that ought to be pretty close. I'm going to cut out some heart shapes. All right. Let's see here, we'll go this way. Take our cookies over here. It says do not place them so close that they would touch each other. And bake them in a brisk oven for a few minutes. So once you've got them out of the oven, sprinkle them with some red sand sugar. Which they actually had. The recipe specifically calls for this. So it was available when the cookbook Kentucky Housewife was written in 1839, if I'm correct. And that's how we finish up our coconut sweethearts. Thanks so much for joining us. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll hope to see you soon.